Before you begin, make sure you read and understand the operator's manual, installation instruction, and all other safety instructions before setting up and using this equipment. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, injury, or death. Any alterations of this equipment will void the warranty and may cause a dangerous condition. Once you've removed all packaging and tape, place the unit on a sturdy level base that can withstand accidental dripping of water and ice. Next, connect drain hose to bottom of unit using the hose clamp provided. The drain hose funnels excess water to a floor drain or basin tub. When in use, ensure the hose is positioned so water drains appropriately. This unit is equipped with an attached foot switch for operating the unit. It should be placed on the floor and not in an area of heavy traffic. Once the drain hose is attached and the unit is on a stable base, make sure the power switch is in the off position. Prior to initial use of a new unit, the shaver blade alignment should be checked. Before attempting this, review the inspect blade alignment in your manual first and utilize those step-by-step instructions. We will show you an overview of how to do this. To start, check that the power switch is off and the unit is unplugged. Next, remove the ice chute by removing the 3 thumb screws and set aside the ice chute so its non-stick coating does not get scratched. Next, you're going to inspect the blade. Look at the shaver blade and make sure the blade is aligned evenly on the blade assembly. After checking the blade through the ice chute opening, you will open the top cover lid to view the blade inside the hopper and make sure the blade height is appropriately and evenly set across the blade. Make adjustments if needed. Finally, tighten the blade screws completely. Check the blade height again to ensure the blade did not move while tightening the screws. Then reattach the ice chute. Once you have your BluBear Ice Shaver set up, the unit should be cleaned prior to its first use. Please see the care and cleaning section in your manual. After you have ensured blade alignment and cleaned your unit, you are ready to start shaving ice. Before we start operating the BluBear Ice Shaver, we are going to review some of the controls and their functions. The main power switch is the lighted blue button which supplies power to the foot switch. The foot switch is how you operate the machine by pressing down. To operate, the shaver lid must be closed, engaging the lid momentary switch for the unit to operate. And finally, we have the blade adjustment knob. This knob adjusts the blade height to change the ice texture. Turn the knob clockwise for a finer ice texture and turn the knob counterclockwise for a coarser ice texture. Now let's shave some ice. Lift the cover lid and load ice cubes into the hopper to within 1/2 inch of the top. Make sure the ice is loaded evenly in hopper. Close the lid and turn on the main power switch. Remember, the machine will not operate unless the cover lid is completely closed and snapped shut. Next, hold a cup directly below the ice chute and press down on the foot switch. To stop ice shaving, release the foot switch. Add your favorite flavored syrups and enjoy your shaved ice. Now, if you purchase the optional ice hopper extension, which increases the potential ice holding capacity of the BluBear hopper to 24 pounds of ice, this is how to attach it. Please review your manual for step-by-step instructions. Turn ice shaver power switch off and unplug the unit before attempting to install the ice hopper extension. Remove the top cover by removing the 4 thumb screws and save the screws for reuse, then lift the top cover off the unit. Next, align the ice hopper with the ice shaver. Make sure the magnet is positioned over the lid momentary switch. Now, refasten the 4 thumb screws to secure the hopper in place. Then fill with ice up to the ice line on the hopper. Plug the machine back in, turn the main power switch on, and you are ready to shave and serve your shave ice treats.